Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another fresh video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Windows 10 Wi-Fi bug or issue. As you can see that when I am clicking on my Wi-Fi, it is not showing me the discovered network. So it's pretty annoying issue. Now let's fix this. So for this, first of all, you need to go to the command prompt by pressing the window key plus R and type CMD. Here you will see the command prompt. Now after opening the CMD, you need to type net sh IP reset. After typing this command, press enter. It will show you to restart your system. Go to the start bar and click on the start menu. Press the restart button. Now after restart, when you click on your Wi-Fi network, it will start showing you the discovered Wi-Fi network. So in this way, the problem can be resolved. So pretty much that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If this video helped you, press subscribe button and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.